Can you use one of the templates available in MailChimp to design a mailer for a big brand which has a ton of brand guidelines? That is the case study of the day, and we are going to be taking the case of Axis Bank. And on this page, you'll find an example of the mailer that we have to design for Axis Bank. Now, you have two options really in MailChimp. One option is that you get the mailer designed in HTML from a developer. So then you have to figure out how you can import it into MailChimp and then carry on the process of actually doing the campaign and tracking the results, etc. So that is option one. Now, option two is you try and customize one of the templates available in MailChimp. So for that, you need to the first thing is you need to pick up the exact colors which are there on the website of Axis Bank. So that's one thing you have to try doing in the backend. And the other thing is to customize the header image, because header image is one of the main things which has to be customized so that the mailer looks good. Right, so figure out how these have to be done in the backend, so that, and that's really what this case study is about. Thank you.